Hi YouTube, in this video I'm talking about the single carabiner rappelling with the Italian hitch. Please join me. Rappelling is inherently dangerous. To me there are two ways of rappelling: the fast rappelling when you don't use the prosik, and the slow rappelling when you use the prosik. I always use the slow rappelling. I know very well that it could be a good feeling to rappel very fast, like in the movies the special forces soldiers do, but I never do this. I always use the slow rappelling with a prosik. Please use a prosik and please use the slow rappelling. When I climb or rappel, I always use an 8mm rope, and I always double it. The Italian hitch, if you are right-handed, comes this way. Hold the carabiner in your right hand, clip it, turn it around, clip it again, secure it, and ready. This is a friction hitch. The friction here and here would let you rappel correctly. The Italian hitch, if you are left-handed, take the carabiner in your left hand, clip it, turn it, and clip it again, secure it, and ready. As I said, when I rappel, I always use a prosik for safety reasons. It is very important that in climbing and rappelling, if you use this configuration, the maximum thickness of the prosik should be only 4mm. Definitely the prosik should come above the carabiner. It is worth spending enough time to create your prosik well. It is coming above the carabiner. We should have the prosik about 25-30 centimeters up from the upper part of the carabiner. Of course, this part of the carabiner comes into your harness or emergency harness, and of course we have to adjust this end of the prosik to the safety harness or to the emergency harness. I simply create a figure 8 knot on the prosik, and I attach it to the harness. Like always, you have to have a knife on you. If something goes wrong, you have to be able to cut the rope if necessary. When you use a carabiner for rappelling, you should not fix the prosik to this carabiner. Use another carabiner, always a secured one, or you just have to attach the safety prosik to this part. Today I'm using another carabiner. This part is ready, secured, and the other one will definitely come to this place. Always secure the carabiner. It is worth securing it, and check if they are secured. When you rappel, if you are left-handed, your right hand should control the prosik. It should not be tight. The controlling hand should be next to us, and the position should be this. This is the correct position. And of course we should not release this, but we should give a little slack from time to time, but we should not release it. If we release, we will fall, and that's the reason why we always use a safety prosik, because if we fall, this friction does not hold us, but the prosik will. That's why during the whole rappelling it should be a little bit tight, but loose enough to move on the main line. It's advisable to have another piece of cord for prosik, because if this safety prosik stucks, we can build up another prosik on the rope to release this safety prosik. During this we can just step into the loop for the other prosik until we just let this prosik loose if it gets too tight. Okay, let's have a look at it. This sort of rappelling should go only with this tempo. It should not be faster. I'm holding the main line with my left hand. It's really tiring, and I'm controlling the upper prosik knot. We should not let it go very, very up, because then we cannot reach it. I have to hold my left hand very, very firmly. I should push myself from the wall as much as possible. Of course, if you are just hanging in the air, it's not possible, but if you are rappelling next to a wall, you have to push yourself from the wall. Never forget the prosik up there, and we are just going down like this. And ready. Conquering these 2 meters was great fun. I was enjoying it very much. I've done this with my left hand, although I'm right-handed. I've done this with the left hand because my son Yoji is left-handed. So my son, this is a kind of present to you. Be always very cautious, because rappelling is great fun, a great tool when we want to conquer height differences, but it's very dangerous. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.